Code Conqueror Daily. Today we are discussing about JS parameters. What are the JS parameters? The JS parameters are spread operator, rest parameter, functions, and template literals. First one is spread operator. The spread operator is used to unpack the iterable, example, an array or an object, etc. into individual items. For example, let's say we have a box which consists of some items in it. So we are unpacking the items from the box. So we can see we have created the array 1 and array 2. In the array 1 we passed 2, 3 and array 2 we are using spread operator. We console log the array 2. We can find the output as 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one is rest parameter. So with this rest parameter we can pack multiple values into an array. So it does the reverse job of the spread operator. For example, we have an items, so we are packing those items into a box. So we can see we are creating an array a comma b comma rest parameter and passing these values to those items. So the first value will go to the a and the second value go to the b and the rest of the parameters settle in the rest parameter. Remember one thing, when we passing the attributes, the rest parameter must be the last parameter, else it will generate an error.
And the third one is functions. In functions, we have default parameters. The default parameters allow us to give default values to the function parameters. Let's see an example. We have a function called numbers. We are passing a comma b to the function and we are assigning a as 2 and b as 5 as the default parameters. So when we call this number function, the number 3 will go to the first parameter and rest of the default parameters remain same. When we console log, the output is 3 comma 5. It is mainly used when we call the function with the missing values or undefined values. It uses the default parameters and execute the function. And the last one is template literals. These are enclosed by backticks. These are used to embed the variables or expressions in the string. We can write multiple lines of string using this template literals. Usually, we can include the variables or expressions using the $sign with curly braces in it. We are creating a variable first name by the value the code conqueror. So we are enclosing the template literals using backticks, hello, $symbol, curly braces open, and we are placing the variable in these curly braces. So when we console log it, we can find the output as hello, the code conqueror. These are some basic examples regarding to the JS parameters. You can find more examples in the given link, which is mentioned below.